Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. In our Independent Day special, out of 6 stocks, today we are going to see the third stock. So today we are going to discuss about a mid-cap IT giant. First we will see about the company overview, then we will deep dive into the financials. Also we will look into the technical charts. We will see at current levels whether this company is a buy, hold or a sell. And also we will see the various levels to watch. As a disclaimer, the stock discussed here are not a buy recommendation and it is only for study purpose. So please discuss with your financial advisor before investing. So today we are going to discuss about mid-cap IT giant Tata Elxsi. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing this channel. And also don't forget to like, comment and share if you like the video. Tata Elxsi, designing the next. The majority of the contribution is from automotive and media and broadcast. Tata Elxsi is amongst the world's leading providers of design and technology services across industries including automotive, media, rail, semiconductors, communications and healthcare. Tata Elxsi provides integrated services from research and strategy to electronics and mechanical design, software development, validation and deployment. As I explained earlier, their main focus is on media as well as automotive. In automotive, their main customers are Hyundai, Tata Motors along with Jaguar, Bosch, Panasonic, SML Isuzu, Ford, Nissan, etc. The main theme they bought in automotive sector is CASE. CASE is representation of connected cars, autonomous cars, shared mobility and electrification of cars. Earlier, if you see in 2010, the contribution of software in a vehicle was around 7%. But that keeps on growing and in 2017, it reached up to 10%. So it is expected to reach around 30% of the overall vehicle by 2030. So over a period, the software will dominate the automotive industry or automotive vehicle. It is a sure-cut case study for a Tata Elxsi because they are mainly into the domain of software in automotive. Now let's see the revenue mix of Tata Elxsi. If you see product-wise breakup, majority of the contribution, that is 98% of the contribution is from software development and services. If you see location-wise breakup of revenue, majority of the revenue are coming from USA, that is approximately 42.2%. Then comes Europe with 33.4% and India's contribution is around 16%. If you see the various verticals in Tata Elxsi, majority of the contribution is from media and communication, that is around 44.5%. Next comes automotive and transportation, that is around 41.2%. They have contribution of around 14.3% in healthcare. If you see the operating profit breakup, majority of the operating profit is coming from software development and services. That is approximately 99.7%. Now let's see the company snapshot of Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi is having a market cap of around 55,000 crores. Currently, it is trading at a price range of 8,817. The stock is holding a PE of around 88.4, which is very high compared to the industry standards. The industry PE is around 31.7. The stock is commanding very high PE because of good valuation. It is having an ROCE of 47.7% and ROE of 37.2%. Due to these very good parameters, the company is trading at very high PE. It is having a dividend yield of 0.48, which is okay. The face value of the share is 10 rupees. The debt to equity ratio is 0.09, which shows the company is having minimal debt. The company doesn't have any pledged shares and the PEG ratio is slightly high in the range of 3.42. If you see the sales and profit growth, sales growth is in the range of 33%, whereas profit growth is in the range of 50.5%. Average of last 3 years in ROE, it is around 31.6, whereas ROCE average for last 3 years is around 41.8%, which shows very good. The sales growth over last 3 years around 15.7%, whereas profit growth in last 3 years is around 24%. The company is having 412 crores of free cash flow. The net cash flow is in the range of 50 crores. Now let's see the profit and loss statement of Tata Elxsi. It was generating net sales in the range of 1386 crores in the year 2018. From there, it jumped to 2480 crores in March. So in last 4 years, it's almost doubled its sales. If you see the operating profit, it jumped from 345 crores to 766 crores. More than 50% growth in operating profit. Similarly, if you see the net profit, it was around 240 crores in 2018, that jumped to 540 crores in 2022. In all these parameters, it is showing a good jump in last 4 years. And company is expecting to do well in upcoming future also. The profits from operation has jumped from 363 crores in March 2018 to 745 crores in March 2022. When you talk about cash flows, the main 3 parameters in cash flow are operating cash flow, investing cash flow, and financing cash flow. So there is a good growth in operating cash flow from 2018 to 2022. Similarly, company is doing good investment which shows negative in investing cash flow, and in financing cash flow also it is showing negative. Now let's see some of the important ratio of Tata Elxsi. In sales growth, in last 5 years, it has compounded around 14.86%. In profit growth, it accounts for more than 25% in last 5 years. ROE is in the range of 37.23 and ROC is in the range of 51.2%. If you see last 5 years average, ROE is about 32.82, whereas ROC is about 47.4%. So all these parameters are showing very good in case of Tata Elxsi. If you see return over last 1 year, the company has generated a return of around 76%, which is very good. Now let's see the daily chart of Tata Elxsi. Here we had plotted various exponential moving average on the daily chart. Here green line shows the 20-day moving average, the violet line shows 50-day moving average, the yellow line shows 100-day moving average, and the orange line shows 200-day moving average. If you see the pattern of Tata Elxsi, it is respecting the 100-day moving average, that is the yellow line, over the years. So it has taken a lot of support from the 100-day moving average. Here you can see this is the first support taken from the 100-day moving average, second support, third support. Here it slightly slips, so here we will not consider. Here also we will not consider, as it slips slightly lower. This is the fourth support, and here also it is coming down. So in worst case scenario, it can take support from 100-day moving average, or it can dip slightly below. So on a safer side, we can assume Tata Elxsi can bounce back above 8,000 level. So this is the price zone wherein the accumulation can be done in the case of Tata Elxsi. So one can safely add Tata Elxsi in the price range of 8,000 to 8,500 range. Although the current level of 8,800 is also a good level to start accumulating over a long time perspective. Now we will see weekly chart to confirm the levels more firmly. So here the chart shows weekly candles. Here also the same. The green line shows 20-day moving average. The violet line shows 50-day moving average. The yellow line shows 100-day moving average, whereas the orange line shows 200-day moving average. So on weekly chart, Tata Elxsi is respecting the 50-day moving average, that is the green line. It has taken support on several periods. Like this is the first support. After that it took support from here. Here it is the third support, and here it is the fourth support, and here it took the support on the fifth time. So based on weekly chart, it can get a good support over this range, which is around 8,500 range. So one can safely start accumulating in the range of 8,500. On monthly chart, if you see, it is respecting the 5 moving average. So one can safely assume the current level is also a good place to accumulate. Now let's see the technical analysis using RSI, Bollinger Band and MACD. If you see the Bollinger Band, currently it is trading near to the bottom band. It has crossed the middle band and it is coming nearer to the bottom band. In case of RSI is showing weak. It is in the range of 40. So once it starts moving up and cross 60, it will show some good strength. If you see MACD, it has already given sell signal in the range of August end, and currently it is on the sell range only. Once the blue line start crossing the red line, it will show a buy signal. So the overall conclusion is, with the drastic change in automotive and healthcare space, being a leader in the technology, Tata Elxsi will be the clear winner going forward. So one can safely start accumulating Tata Elxsi in the price range of 8,000 to 8,500. Even the current level is also very good for accumulation purpose. So this is about the third stock. In our next video, we will discuss about the fourth stock. Can you guess the stock and comment it below? The next stock what we are going to discuss will be a proxy for real estate segment. If you can guess the company, please comment below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos on personal finance and stock market. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the Friday basics to make your stock market journey easy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.